In this video, I will guide you how you can add slider in product page of Shopify Dawn theme. So first of all, head over to the online store and select your theme that you want to include the image slider and then click on the customize button. Now once you are on the main page, you just need to scroll down until you see your particular product and click on it. This will take you to that particular product page where you just need to first start by clicking on these templates and click on the plus icon. Now you just need to search for your slideshow. Once you search for this, simply click on it and this will gonna show up on the bottom of your product page. It will also show on the top, so you have to adjust it according to your requirements. So let's say I want this to be on the bottom of my product page, so you can simply drag and drop it just like so. In order to change this image, click on the select image button, then you can click on add image and select your particular image that you want to add as the slideshow. Once you have uploaded your image, click on the done button and wait for it to fully load up, and this will gonna look something like this. As for the text, you can simply go back and scroll down to this button labels, button link. You can adjust all of that settings right in this editor. So that's the basic way of how you can add slider in Shopify product page on Dawn theme.